acrylic nails, you're going to need the nail foam, acrylic powder, acrylic liquid, tappy dish to put your acrylic powder on liquid, and also a brush for application. Natural fiber brushes are better, they tend to last longer and don't get damaged easily from the harsh nail products. And when choosing your acrylic powder and liquid, ensure that they are from the same brand, because nail product tends to work better that way. Also try putting your products aside after taking the ones you need in order to avoid accidents whereby spilling your nail products. Today I'm using a natural fiber brush. This brush is a Kolinsky brush. You are also going to be needing some form of alcohol to clean your brush before and after application. You're also going to be needing a paper towel to clean your brush. I began by cleaning my brush in the liquid alcohol to remove any dirt and oil. I'm just going in to clean my nail. Now I'm filing my nail to remove shine and also any leftover natural oils from my nail bed. After that, I fitted my foam. I find the easiest way to fit foams for me is to remove the seal and gently place my finger through the hole. If you didn't see that, you can rewind back. This is what it's currently looking like. Now, to begin my filling process, I dipped my brush inside my acrylic monomer, which is my acrylic liquid. Then I went into the powder to pick up a bead. But as you can see, the bead is too dry. I threw that out and I went in for another bead that is creamy and has the right consistency. When you are working with acrylic, you have to ensure that the consistency is just right. It shouldn't be too dry or too liquidy. When it's too dry, your nails will not last long. It wouldn't take long before it starts lifting, and when it's too liquidy, you tend to flood your cuticle and your nail bed, and lifting will also occur. I just continue placing beads until I fill the entire nail. I decided that I want the nail short, so I'm stopping at the second line on the nail foam. I haven't decided the shape I'm going for, but I'm just trying to build a shape that will enable me to go for any shape I finally decide to go with. After filling the nail, clean your brush immediately because you do not want your acrylic to dry on your brush. If it dries out, it's going to damage your brush. I'm using the 90% alcohol to clean my brush, and immediately after cleaning, try applying any sort of oil to keep your brush in shape and also to nourish your brush. Remember, these brushes are natural fiber brushes. So my acrylic is a little bit dry now. I just removed the nail foam and then I waited for it to dry out completely. Now the nail is dry. I'm just going in with a file to file down and shaping the nail. And when you're filing acrylic nail, try not to file on your own skin because acrylic nails are very hard when they dry out, so you might be going in with foot force, thereby hurting yourself at the same time. So be gentle. I know it looks pretty aggressive in this video the way I'm filing the nail, but it's actually not. The reason you're seeing it like that is because I sped up the video. Remember to file the side walls of the nail. The filing is complete. I just went in with a buffer to further smoothing the surface of the nail. Buffing is very necessary. It gives your nail that smooth finish. Now that I'm done, I just clean the nail with some nail cleanser to remove the dust. After cleaning, I applied a clear nail polish. This is how it's looking so far with just the clear nail polish. It's so beautiful this way. You can leave it like this if you want, but I decided to go in with this nudish creamy nail polish. Ensure that you clean up the sides. I allow that to dry out, then I apply another layer of nail polish. This polish is pinkish but it's also nude. After that dried out, I did a little bit of nail art on the tip of the nail using a white polish, then I applied a top coat. And this is the final result. You can repeat the process on your entire nail and you are done. Please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to like and share. And also check out my other videos. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions at all, ask me down in the comment section down below.